Today for the Bitcoin price. Guys, something absolutely mind-blowing is happening for Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. It is actually something I was talking about earlier in the live video. I was pushing towards you in the moment we were breaking out. So now let's go deep dive here into the charts and see exactly what is happening right now for Bitcoin, but also for Ethereum within the next few hours, within the next 24 hours. I want to talk about my trades and much more. Please remember that there is a link down below in the video description, in the pinned comment, where you get $1,180 for free after your initial deposit as an experienced trader. Use that here right now if you're experienced before this offer is, because it is for limited time. Anyway, let's talk here about what is actually happening here right now for Bitcoin, because as you remember, I was talking about this scenario unfolding earlier, and as you can see, we had here this big Elon Musk pump, the bull flag, another pump, another bull flag, the breakout right now. So the question is, after the second small bull flag I was actually talking about earlier, what is going to happen? Well, I was talking about that we need to break the previous high here for Bitcoin. As you see, we broke it, and people were telling me, Chris, is this still valid after this breakdown? The answer is yes, because what we are in the end doing here is we are creating higher lows for Bitcoin. One high here on the left hand side, another higher highs, another higher high. These are the hourly candles, and right now another higher high. This constellation here is without any doubt a very bullish one. We have higher lows and higher highs on the hourly candles. Right now it seems like that my price target I predicted earlier is actually coming into place. Let me zoom out a little bit, because we have two specific scenarios here unfolding. Sorry guys, two scenarios. Am I recording? Yes, two scenarios unfolding for Bitcoin. So we have this one price target at $54,000 where we have a significant amount of confluence coming in. Let me just zoom out. You see it right here. I mean, we have three measured move price targets coming in here. We have the Fibonacci extension level and much more. So if you are in the trade I was actually calling earlier, congratulations to your gains here so far. Many people are asking me what is also happening for Ethereum. Well guys, look at this. I just discovered this ascending triangle, and now Bitcoin broke out before Ethereum broke out. This might guys, please be very careful here. This might be a good chance to catch a trade here before like at the breakout after Bitcoin was actually already breaking out. Ethereum at the time of recording at $1,800. You know I am in a trade here. If you are going in a trade, please apply a proper amount of risk management, because you know it's very easy to get wiped out on an Ethereum trade. If you are going in, I would personally trade this breakout after hourly candle up above a confirmation and a break above the previous resistance, which is then turning into support above the previous rejection point here. My price target would actually be for this one $2,000. Once again, we are taking profits before the price target, before the $2,000. This could be certainly an interesting one. And guys, this is, look at this, I'm here in a trippy shop. I'm actually here to enjoy my water from a glass bottle and also the lemon juice. As you know, I really like to stay hydrated, and I just saw Bitcoin breaking towards a new all-time high again. This is why, guys, before I go into my trades, into my current trades and my future trades, I would like to urge you, could you please go down, smash up the like button if you appreciate these nighttime videos as well, these emergency videos wherever I am, in the jungle of Mexico, in a trippy shop, drinking my water. If you appreciate that, smash up the like button towards a new all-time high. Of course, I will be talking about my trades as well. By the way, once again, guys, there is in the pinned comment this bonus links, $1,180. I personally recommend Bybit. If you click the link, you make your account. After your initial deposit, you get $1,180 combined for free here for your own trading on Bybit, Phemex, Judex, and so on. So let me go over back here. By the way, it is in the pinned comment. And as you can see, this is the video I posted earlier. I know it's a crazy face, but I have to draw attention. I need the views here, guys, because I want to take you guys with me here into these profitable times for Bitcoin, whether you are holding or whether you are trading it. This is why I just feel the urge to get you guys in, and the best thing is, of course, with a little bit clickbaity videos. Anyway, so look at this, my trade over on Phemex, $1.55 million in a profit right now. I keep this one open. I will take continuously profits. This is a 25x leverage trade. You know my profit taking areas at $51,000 and also at $54,000. Congratulations if you are in these trades as well. So where is my Bybit trade? There's my Bybit trade right now, 9 Bitcoin in a profit, approximately $500,000, and there is the same profit taking areas like for my Phemex trade. Let me quickly go back here. And I have actually 4 more trades, 1 more on Bybit, 2 more on Phemex, or 3 more on Phemex. In total, they're averaging approximately $4 million in profits. This is nothing against you guys. We are the most profitable community in the world, the most supportive one, the most lively one. And I am so happy to take you all with me in that bull market. We started pushing videos in 2017. I continue to push videos every single day. 2018, 2019, during the bloodiest days, I got at least 10, 20,000 people watching me at the prices of $4,000, and I'm very happy to take you guys with me, because the $40,000, $50,000 of today are the $4,000 of 2018. It is not too late to get in Bitcoin. It is eventually going to hit 400, 500,000, millions of $. It's just a question of time. Thank you so much for joining me here, guys. If you appreciate these videos on the go, make sure you smash up the like button, you scroll down, you press the subscription button, and very important, if you're new to the channel, press the bell, press on all, and make sure that you get these notifications on your own behalf. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye-bye.